Hello and welcome to the tutorial number 13. In this tutorial we are going to talk about conditional statements. So conditional statement perform different action from different conditions, and we use conditional statements to decide what action should happen if the condition is true and what action should happen if the condition is false. So I'll write here a variable marks and equal to 50. Now in here I will write condition. So I will use conditional statement. The first one is if and open parentheses, and inside this parentheses here we use our conditions. So I will write a condition here. So I will say if Marcus equal to or triple equal to 50, then what should happen? So I have written here a condition: if Marcus equal to 50, then what should happen? Then I will say open up, I will write here, I will open a curly bracket here, and inside this curly bracket I will take action against those students who receive the marks of 50, or I will give a message for those students who receive the marks of 50. So I will write here echo your only pass. So inside this curly bracket you can write your own code, but for now I'm just writing the simplest one, message. So whatever will be inside this curly bracket, it will be execute. For now I'm just using here a simple message. So let's see. Here the condition is true because the student is what? Marks is 50, and I have my condition is if a student receives 50, then what this statement should be executed. Let's see now. Now you can see your pass. Why? Because here the condition is matching, the condition is true in here. So that's why it will execute this statement, or whatever will be inside this curly bracket, it will print and or it will execute it to the browser. So now the condition is true. Now what if the condition is false? What action should be happen then? So if the condition is false, we use else part. So I'll write here, for example, this students receive 40. Now what should happen? Now I will write in the else part that echo your fail. Try next year. Let's see. You are failed. Try next year. Why? Because the condition is false here. I have written a condition that if a student mark is 50, so this condition should be executed. But if the condition is false, so we jump to the else part and execute this statement. So I hope you understand the concept of if. Now we use elseif. So what if a students receive 50? What if a students receive 90? So what should happen for those students those who receive 90? What is the college message for those students, or what is the school message for those students who received 90 or 80, 70. So in this case we use what? Elseif. So I'll write here elseif, and inside this elseif again same like if curly parentheses, and inside this parentheses I will write my condition. In here I will write that if marks is equal to or equal to, for example, 100 or 99, then this condition should be executed. So I will write message here, your first class. Now let's see, and I will change the mark of student to 99. Now you can see your first class. So in here we can give many conditions as much as we want. So it's same like logical operators and or and or. So it's same like that, but the difference is that we use that and or inside, and that logical operators inside this parentheses, and we use for the logical operators if. Here we are not using logical operators and we are using elseif, and again I can write here elseif if the mark is greater than 70. So I will write a message, echo your pass and good student. This is a simple message. Same I can again write here elseif, for example, marks and equal to 80, and here again curly bracket, and inside curly bracket write down your message, echo your pass and good student too. So as much as we want we can use elseif statement or elseif condition. So let's see, now the student mark is 99, so this statement will be executed. Let's see, so this statement is executing. Now if I change the student marks to 80, let's see, now it should print this one, sorry, the last one, this one, 80. So let's see, your pass and good student too. And if I change this 80 to 20, so it will jump to the what else part in here. Let's see, and you can see you are failed, try next year. So I hope you understand the concept of conditional statements, and guys, I suggest you to watch this series step by step in order to learn PHP perfectly. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next lecture.